Hello dear students, today we are going to solve the passage, the lesson Androcles and the Lion, class 8th. Question: read the following passage and do the activities. This question has 10 marks. We shall see the passage. Long, long ago there lived a kind, gentle and courteous man called Androcles. But he had a very cruel master. In those days, kings, nobles and other wealthy men used poor people as their slaves. Androcles was a slave. The slaves were forced to work for their masters. They had to do what their masters told them. They had no freedom, no rights. Even when they were unhappy with their master, they could not leave him. They were bound by law to obey their master, however wicked he might be. Androcles did not like his heartless, wicked master. His master starved his slaves and often whipped them. Androcles felt that even death was better than serving such a master. He kept looking out for a good opportunity. At the first chance he got, he escaped from the clutches of his cruel master. Now, although Androcles had thus run away, he was not a coward. He took shelter in a forest. He was not afraid of the wild beasts that roamed the forest. He did not mind that he had no roof over his head. He was happy that he was free as a bird to go wherever he wished. Now we shall see the first activity of the passage. Activity first, state whether the following statements are true or false. This question has 2 marks. In first option, Androcles' master was kind and gentle person. This sentence is false. Second, the masters were forced to work for their slaves. This sentence is too false. Androcles' master often whipped his slaves. Answer true. Fourth, the slaves did not obey their masters. Answer is false. Activity second, complete the wave diagram. Here is given condition of slaves: bound by, forced, could not and had no. This question's answer: the first condition of slaves, bound by law to obey. The second condition of slaves, forced to work for their masters. And third, could not leave their masters. And fourth condition of slaves, had no freedom, no rights. These are the condition of slaves. Next, activity third. Activity third, vocabulary. Find out the antonyms for the following from the passage. This question has 2 marks. Here are given 4 words. The first, birth; second, brave; third, never; and fourth, happy. This antonyms words: answer, birth opposite words death, brave opposite words coward, and never opposite often, and happy opposite words unhappy. Activity 4, grammar. First, he took shelter in a forest. Name the tense. This sentence answer. This sentence is in simple past tense. The second, his master starved his slaves. Choose the correct sentence type of the given sentences. Here are given 4 sentences: assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence and imperative sentence. The correct answer is first, assertive sentence. The last activity of this passage, activity 5th, personal response question, has 2 marks. Question: do you like to read stories? Name your favorite story. Answer: yes, I like to read stories. I read moral stories. My favorite story is Alunushka. Question second, the personal response question. What do you think about the people who treat disrespectfully to others? This question's answer. I think that the people who treat disrespectfully to others are selfish people. They only care for themselves. Such people are wicked and heartless. They never think about others. They live in their own world. They think that they are more superior than others. We should avoid such people. Thus, we have learned the passage of this lesson, Androcles and the lion. So it's okay.